Hi everyone, I am holding an open house this Sunday in Grain Valley from 2 to 4. Come on out and check out this split entry beautiful home. It has a 2-car garage, a spacious kitchen with a kitchen island and beautiful oak cabinets. The kitchen is very open, moves into a family room, has a master bedroom on the main level along with a master bath. Colors of the paint are just beautiful. You can always put your personal touch though. The lower level is finished, has an extra potential bedroom, or playroom, or office. Laundry room, newly extended deck out the back. Has a large level yard on a corner lot, and it's also on a dead-end street. Come on out, friends, get your Chiefs calendars